Hi friends, welcome back to Tiny Tales with Tia. Today we're going to be reading Peppa's Vegetable Garden. Grandpa Pig is showing Peppa and George the fruit and vegetables growing in his garden. Wow, Grandpa, gasped Peppa. You're like a real farmer. Can we be farmers too? Of course, Peppa, says Grandpa Pig. I'll help you grow food in your garden. Are you ready to grow your own vegetables, farmers? Grandpa Pig asks. Yes, cheer Farmer Peppa and Farmer George. First, the farmers find a sunny spot to plant their seeds. Then they make holes in the soil, pop the seeds in, and cover them over with the soil. Now we must water the seeds, explains Grandpa Pig. They get very thirsty. Just as Peppa starts watering, Daddy Pig arrives, and she sprays water all over him. Splash! Oops, sorry, Daddy. You look thirsty, giggled Peppa. Ho, 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 laughs Daddy Pig. Shoo! Look, Grandpa, cries Peppa. The birds are eating our seeds. Daddy Pig waves his arms around. Wow, Daddy, gasps Peppa. Watching the birds fly away you're amazing. He can't do that all day, says Grandpa Pig. Let's use this scarecrow instead. After the scarecrow scares the birds away, Peppa and George wait for their seeds to grow. Grandpa, sighs Peppa, nothing's happening. Ho, 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 laughs Grandpa Pig. Farmers have to be patient, Peppa. Plants take time to grow. Over the next few weeks and months, Peppa and George watch their vegetables grow and grow and grow and grow. By the end of the summer, the vegetables are ready to harvest. It's about time, says Daddy Pig. Watching everything grow has made me very hungry. Peppa and George have had lots of fun harvesting their crops. We're real farmers, just like you, Grandpa, cheers Peppa. After a busy day on their farm, Grandpa Pig helps Peppa and George make dinner using some of their vegetables. Now our tummies are growing too, Peppa, says Daddy Pig. Everyone laughs. Everyone loves Peppa and George's farm. Thank you for reading this book with me. I hope you enjoyed reading Peppa's Vegetable Garden. Have you tried to grow any fruits or vegetables in your garden? I have grown beans at my school. It was so much fun. I can't wait to see how they turn out. If you want to try some gardening too, then you can ask your mommy or daddy and they might get you some fruits of your choice to grow. Bye. See you next time.